Hello students, once again welcome to English grammar class. Today my topic is active and passive voice. Now listen students, to know active and passive voice, first you have to acquire the knowledge of tense. Without tense you cannot do it, okay? And grammar is the backbone of English. Therefore you have to learn grammar, okay? Now let's start. Before starting, I am also telling you that in my last video, I already explained you active and passive voice, simple present tense and present continuous tense. And in this video, I am going to explain you present perfect tense and simple past tense. Now, let's start. Look, in active voice, the subject of the sentence is the doer. Okay, this I already told you in my last video. In active voice, the subject of the sentence is the doer, and in passive voice, the subject of the sentence is the receiver. Okay, now let's start from example. The policeman has caught the thief. Now, first we have to see what tense it is. It is present perfect tense. Okay, policeman has caught the thief. Okay, the word has tells us that it is present perfect tense. Okay, now what is the subject here? The policeman is the subject here and the thief is the object here. Now what is the rule to change into passive voice? Object plus has have plus been plus third from plus agent, and you have to change it into passive voice by applying this rule. Now this is the object, okay, this will become subject, the thief. The thief is a singular form, therefore you have to use the word has, okay? And as this is perfect tense, present perfect tense, you have to use the word been. The thief has been caught by the policeman, and this by the policeman is the agent, okay? Clear? Look at the next sentence. She has baked a cake. Once again, this is present perfect tense. Clear? A cake is the object here, and again you have to apply that very same rule, okay? A cake has, okay, as it is a singular form, you have to use the word has. Been, because it is perfect tense, present perfect, been you have to use. A cake has been baked by her. Look, the she becomes her because she is the subject here, and here the she has become agent, so it becomes her. Now look at the next sentence. The mechanic has painted the car. Okay, this is once again present perfect tense. You have to apply that very same rule. Okay, now look how to change it. What is the object here? The car is the object here. Okay, the object becomes subject. The car, singular form has, special word been because it is perfect tense. The car has been painted by the mechanic. By the mechanic is the agent. Clear? Now let's come to next part, that is simple past tense. Clear? The policeman caught the thief. That is simple past tense. Once again, look, what is the object here? The thief is the object here. And what is the subject? Who is the subject here? The policeman. This is the subject. And for simple past tense, what is the rule? Object plus was were plus third from plus agent. Clear? I am repeating it again. Object plus was were plus third from plus agent. Now what is the object here? The thief. Okay, this object will become subject, the thief. It is singular form, therefore was. Caught, okay, third form of verb, by the policeman. This is agent. Look, next sentence, she baked a cake. Again, it is a simple past tense. What is the rule? That very same rule, object plus was were plus third form plus agent. Now what is the object here? A cake. It will become subject. A cake, singular form, was, third form, baked, by her. Okay, she, subject becoming agent here, by her. Next, the mechanic painted the car. Again, simple past tense. What is the object here? The car is the object here. Okay, this object will become subject. The car, singular, was, painted, okay, by the mechanic. Okay, now I am coming to interrogative or questions. Okay, now look at this sentence. Has she baked a cake? This is interrogative, present perfect tense. And what is the rule? Has have plus object plus been plus third from plus agent. Okay, now what is the object here? A cake is singular form, therefore you have to apply has. Okay, has a cake been baked by her? Okay, look at the next sentence. Did she bake cake? Okay, now did she bake cake? What is this? This is simple past tense interrogative sentence. Now what is the rule here? Was were plus object plus third from plus agent. Now what is the object here? Cake. Cake is singular, therefore you have to use was. Was cake baked by her? Clear? Now I am giving you few sentences. You have to do it in homework. Okay, look, change the following into passive voice. Okay, I am reading out the sentence. I am reading out the answers also. Okay, you have to just make a copy. Cats catch mice. Okay, look, cats catch mice. You have to change. How to change? This is simply present tense. Mice are caught by cats. Okay, mice is plural from children like sweets. Sweets are liked by children. Do cats catch mice? Okay, are mice caught by cats? Because this is interrogative, to start with are. Mice is plural from these boys stole my watch. My watch was stolen by these boys. Okay, now this is, look, this is present continuous tense. Okay, they are making a noise. A noise is being made by them. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to make a copy, you have to write the sentences, you have to write the rules, okay, and you have to keep your copy forever and ever, okay, because grammar is very essential in life. Okay, until my next video, goodbye.